I've been sowing so much tiny seed and I'm tired of trying to sprinkle it out with my fingertips. I mentioned previously I had made a homemade seed dispenser out of PVC pipe, but I can't find it anywhere. So I'm going to make a new one and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is all you need to make your own seed dispenser. A PVC elbow and a length of PVC pipe. This is 1/2-inch pipe. It's the 200, the schedule 200 pipe. It's the thick walled pipe, not the series 400. And this is just a 1/2-inch elbow. And this just fits right on the end here. But I want to cut this down to size. It's only going to be a couple of inches long, and I want to cut it at an angle so that you can see the seeds coming down, and then just before they get to the edge of the pipe. For safety purposes, I have this cut over long so I can still hold on to the pipe. Now, don't judge me, I got to clean up my sawdust and everything, I know. But I'm going to cut this at an angle. This is a 45-degree angle I'm cutting it at. So I've got it at a 45-degree angle, but that's actually not long enough. I'd like it to be more, I'd like it to be coming back a little bit more. So that's why I've got the long piece here. And I'm going to hold this piece. Don't do this at home. And I'm going to try and cut it at an angle here. Sharper angle on it. Now I can cut it down to a finished size, which is probably going to be right around here. Like I said, you don't need very long. I just wanted to be able to see the seeds coming out, and I'm going to sand off this sharp point right here. So this is all I need. And now I just take the elbow and put it on here. So I got the elbow, just fitting it on the end. And just like that, I've got a seed dispenser. So obviously you put the seeds in here, and then you can tap them, and then they'll run down the channel, and they'll come out this end. Like I said, I'm gonna sand this off down here so it's very thin. I mean, you could certainly leave it like that. There's nothing wrong with that. And to a certain extent, it could actually be helpful in getting the seeds to go exactly where you want them to. So I'm going to turn on my grinder. see that? Jeez, focus. So now you can dab out your seeds right where you want them, and you'll know where they'll go. But a very simple tool to make. Doesn't take anything. This was just pieces of PVC pipe I had laying around. You can get a piece of PVC pipe at the Home Depot. You can probably get a 10-foot length for less than $3. But they also have shorter lengths cut too. And an elbow. Elbow is probably the most expensive thing. And again, I had that laying around. But now I've got a seed dispenser that I can get those really fine seeds and place them into the individual cells of a tray, and not have so many pour out. And then, like I said, they'll run down to the end, and then you just tap your seed dispenser and the seeds will drop in one by one just about. And that's all it takes to make the seed dispenser. It's really very simple. Even if you don't have the chop saw like I do, you can just use a regular hand saw. You can use a file, belt sander to sand down the edges a little bit, and very simple to make. But if you want to see what we were doing in the garden last week, check out this video right here and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you'll be able to follow along in the progress on all of our vegetables as we try to grow a supermarket in our own backyard. Okay, thanks for watching.